Is your Zapier automation failing to find the right information in your text data? First, let's pinpoint the problem. Examine your Zap run history for error messages related to the text-to-discovery action. This will provide valuable clues about what went wrong, such as incorrect search terms or data retrieval failures. Now, double-check your search terms. Are they accurately reflecting the data you're trying to extract? Consider using variations of your keywords and phrases, and refine them based on the structure of your text data. Data formatting is your best friend. Ensure your input text is clean and consistent by using Zapier's formatting tools to remove extra spaces, standardize casing, or handle special characters that might be interfering with your search. Next, think about filtering. Use Zapier's filter step to screen the data extracted by text-to-discovery. This ensures that only the most relevant and accurate information proceeds to the next step in your Zap. Finally, explore alternatives if text-to-discovery consistently underperforms. Consider other text processing apps available in Zapier's app directory that better suit your specific needs. You can explore apps that provide more advanced extraction capabilities. This should improve the functionality of your text-based discovery processes.